Let's be honest. Gym memberships can be pricey. They can feel like a financial burden, especially when you consider all the other expenses in your life. They're like that fancy coffee you buy every day. You know, the one with the extra shot of espresso and the whipped cream on top. You know it adds up, but you still do it. It's a small luxury that becomes a habit, and before you know it, you're spending a fortune on something you could easily make at home. And don't even get me started on actually going to the gym. The thought of dragging yourself out of bed early in the morning or heading there after a long day at work can be daunting. Sometimes the struggle is real. You might feel exhausted, unmotivated, or just plain overwhelmed by the idea of fitting a gym session into your busy schedule. You plan to go, but then life gets in the way. Maybe the kids need your attention, or work deadlines are looming, or perhaps you just need a moment to breathe. Work Kids, that new season of your favorite show. All these things can make it hard to find the time and energy to hit the gym. Suddenly, your gym clothes are gathering dust. They sit there, a constant reminder of your good intentions and the reality of your hectic life. But here's the good news. You don't need a fancy gym to get fit. You can achieve your fitness goals without ever leaving your house. You can smash those fitness goals right from your living room. Whether it's yoga, strength training, or cardio, there are countless ways to stay active at home. No expensive equipment, no judgmental stares. Just you and your awesome self ready to conquer the world, or at least your workout. You can set your own pace, choose your own routines, and create a workout environment that suits you perfectly. And maybe, just maybe, avoid stepping on those pesky Legos. Ready to ditch the excuses and get moving? I've got your back. Let's explore some simple and effective home workouts that will help you stay fit, healthy, and motivated. From bodyweight exercises to online fitness classes, the possibilities are endless. So roll out that yoga mat, put on your favorite workout playlist, and let's get started on this journey to a healthier, happier you. You got this. So 2025 is here. A brand new year, a fresh start. What about those fitness goals you've been thinking about? This year, we're not just dreaming about them, we're making them happen. No more procrastination, no more excuses. This is your year to feel amazing, or at least a month. Let's be real. We're going to dive into a simple, fun workout routine. You can do it right at home, no equipment needed, just your amazing self. Are you ready to become the fittest, strongest, most awesome version of yourself? Let's do this. All right, before we dive into the workout, let's get those muscles warmed up. Think of it like preheating your oven before baking a delicious cake. You wouldn't want a soggy bottom, would you? We're going to start with some light cardio, nothing too crazy, just enough to get your heart rate up and your body ready to move. Jog in place for a minute, feel that blood pumping. Now let's do some arm circles, forward and backward. Great, finish it off with some high knees and butt kicks. Remember, we're just getting started. Keep that energy high. First up, we're tackling the squat and press. This move is a total body blast, working your legs, core, and arms. Plus, it's a great way to channel your inner superhero. Cape optional, but recommended. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Imagine you're holding an invisible weight in each hand. Now squat down like you're about to sit in a chair. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. As you stand up, press those invisible weights overhead, feeling powerful and strong. Repeat this move for 1 minute. You've got this. Section 5, move 2, push up to plank, strong like a middle manager. Next up, it's time for some push up to plank action. This move is all about building upper body strength and stability. Get ready to feel like a middle manager. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower your chest towards the floor, bending your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and hold that strong plank. Keep those abs tight and your back straight. Hold for 1 minute, you're on fire. Section 6, move 3, reverse lunges with a twist. Spice up your life, no actual spices required. This exercise is not just about working out. It's about adding a fun and dynamic twist to your routine. Get ready to challenge your body in new ways and feel the difference. Now it's time to spice things up with some reverse lunges with a twist. This move is perfect for those looking to break the monotony of their usual workout and add a bit of excitement. Whether you're at home or in the gym, this exercise can be done anywhere. This move is a fantastic way to work your legs and glutes while adding a little bit of core engagement. By incorporating the twist, you're not only targeting your lower body, but also engaging your obliques and improving your balance. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. This is your starting position. Make sure your posture is correct with your shoulders back and your core engaged. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize the benefits of the exercise. Take a big step backward with your right foot, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Ensure that your front knee is directly above your ankle and not pushed too far forward. This helps in maintaining balance and protecting your joints. As you step back up, twist your upper body to the left, bringing your right hand towards the ceiling. This twist engages your core muscles and adds an extra challenge to the move. Feel the stretch in your obliques and the engagement in your core. Repeat on the other side. Step back with your left foot this time and twist your upper body to the right. Remember to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. This ensures that you're working the muscles effectively and safely. Keep alternating legs for 1 minute. Feel that burn. As you continue, focus on your breathing. Inhale as you step back and exhale as you twist. This will help you maintain a rhythm and keep your movement smooth. By the end of the minute, you should feel a satisfying burn in your legs, glutes, and core. This is a sign that you're working hard and making progress. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the benefits of this dynamic exercise. Section 7. Move 4 mountain climbers. Reach for the top of your fitness game, or at least the top shelf. Let's get those hearts pumping with some mountain climbers. This move is a fantastic cardio blast that also engages your core and shoulders. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Now bring one knee towards your chest, as if you're climbing a mountain. Alternate legs quickly, keeping your core engaged and your back straight. Imagine you're racing to the top of a mountain, or at least reaching for the top shelf. Keep pushing for 1 minute, you're almost there. Section 8, move 5. Dead bug. It's not as scary as it sounds unless you're a bug. Don't let the name fool you. The dead bug is a killer core exercise that's actually quite fun. Lie on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your legs raised, knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Now, slowly lower your right arm and left leg towards the floor, keeping your core engaged and your back flat on the ground. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Keep your movements controlled and your breathing steady. Continue for 1 minute, you're crushing it. Section 9, move 6 side plank dips. Sculpt those sides, feel the burn, and maybe some regret. Last but not least, it's time to target those obliques with some side plank dips. This move is a great way to sculpt your waistline and improve your core strength. Start in a side plank position, with your elbow directly under your shoulder and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your hips towards the floor, then raise them back up, squeezing your obliques. Repeat on the other side. Keep alternating sides for 1 minute. Feel that burn and maybe some regret. Section 10. Cool down, pat yourself on the back, you did it. Now where's my medal? Congratulations! You've just completed an amazing full-body workout right at home. This is no small feat and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Each drop of sweat, every rep, and all the effort you put in has brought you one step closer to your fitness goals. Give yourself a high five. Celebrate this moment because you've earned it. It's important to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Now where's my medal? Now it's time to cool down and stretch those muscles. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your body transition from high activity to a state of rest, reducing muscle stiffness and soreness. Take a few minutes to stretch your arms. Feel the tension release as you extend and hold each stretch. This not only helps in muscle recovery, but also improves your flexibility over time. Don't forget to stretch your legs and back as well. These areas often carry a lot of tension, especially after a vigorous workout. Gentle stretching can alleviate this and prevent injuries. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you stretch, the more benefits you'll reap. Try to fit in this workout a few times a week. Consistency is the cornerstone of any fitness journey. By making this workout a regular part of your routine, you'll see continuous improvement in your strength, endurance, and overall well-being. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and more energized you feel. Regular exercise boosts your mood, increases your energy levels, and enhances your overall health. It's a gift you give to yourself, and hey, don't forget to reward yourself for all your hard work. Grab a healthy snack, something that will refuel your body and aid in recovery. Maybe a smoothie, some nuts, or a piece of fruit. Then take some time to relax. Watch your favorite show, read a book, or simply unwind. Bask in the glory of your accomplishment. You deserve it. Taking a moment to appreciate your efforts can be incredibly motivating. It reminds you of what you're capable of and encourages you to keep going. Now go out there and crush your fitness goals. You got this. Every step you take, every workout you complete brings you closer to a healthier, stronger you. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and remember, you are capable of amazing things. And don't forget, you deserve a medal for all your hard work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks, and see you in the next video.